Guys, it's Asha Washington back with another Dollar Tree find. So I love this. I'm just showcasing a lot of my favorite Dollar Tree products. So this is the immense value, you guys. So when I saw this, I got these a few months ago. I can't remember the exact month, but I picked up 3 at a time. And I'm like, babe, we got to get these. The value is crazy. And I love it. So here it is. This is the new LA Totally Awesome Advanced Cutting Grease Formula, Ultra Concentrated Liquid Detergent in Oxy Blue. This is 50 fluid ounces. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is huge. Look how big this is. This is huge. And I'm like, I definitely need to get this. Now, lately, I'm not sure what happened. Like I said, I got these a few months ago. I haven't been seeing these super big ones anymore. Let me know if you still find these in your local Dollar Tree. The ones that I see currently, like within the last week of shooting this video, have been like, they're slimmer. So they're not as wide. So you're getting less for $1.25. So I'm sure they cut back on that, obviously. But my other find, obviously, you got to go with the traditional. Love finding my Dawn at Dollar Tree as well. So you got to get that Dawn. So, so heavy. So I like to keep my Dawn separate. I don't pour this into that like I do my other cleaners. When I have the Dawn, it's gonna be Dawn, and then that's it. So I don't like to pour the, off-brand into the Dawn because certain things clean better with Dawn. So I like to keep this separate. So when we pick it up, we know that what's in here is actually Dawn. All right, but that's the hack as well. This is the immense value. If you see these, pick it up, try it out. This is a 50 fluid ounce of liquid dish detergent, and this is Asha Washington. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button so we can become YouTube besties. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.